Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm starting a new hand embroidery stitch along called Window Warmer Stitch Along 2023. It's prep day today, so it's sponsored by Anger Crafting and it is hosted by Barmy Fox, which is a YouTube channel. You can find her on Instagram also. So this is the pattern. I just made the mistake of printing it in the actual size. I was actually supposed to print it in around 105 percentage, but right now I just realized it while I was recording this audio. So I'll be just going ahead with it and I will not be changing it. Probably sometime in future I will do the bigger size. So this is an 8-inch hoop, and the website and this page PDF which comes along with the stitch along mentions all the threads and that is required. I don't know most of the shades mentioned in the PDF, so I'll be using this shade card by Anger to figure out similar colors or whichever is there in my stash. So yeah, I'll just keep this in the side. This is one of the prized possession of mine, and so now these are my thread collection. I don't have made too many. I just have these. I just have put them into 4 or 5 boxes. The peach, red, yellows, blue and pinks, greens, violet friction pen which I use to transfer the pattern to the fabric. That's an heat erasable ink, so that is very handy for embroidery. I just have to iron out the cloth after it's done. And this is a stitch along page on the website, and see, this is the finished product picture. And if you come down, it will show the list of the threads and the color. So I'll be just using this to pick out the colors which I have and similar colors if I don't have them from my stash. So here I'm almost done with transferring the pattern. So I have used a light source underneath my glass table. My dining table is a glass table, so I have used a table lamp kind of thing. I'll just show you that. So this is my table lamp, so I've used it to give some light so that I can copy it easily. Here I am finishing up the designs where details which I missed, and just overall seeing that everything is fine. So here I am ready for stitching. All threads found, all design transferred, and waiting for the day one.